Got a 2010 CTS V. No, not V. CTS. Caddy 3.0 3.0 liter.
Blackwing.
Came in, oil pressure light was coming up on a dashboard. Got check engine light for every cam VVT code intake and exhaust VVT code you can get. What we initially found, I pulled this dipstick, it did not read anything. It's a 6-quart capacity. I put 5 quarts in it and it's at the perfect level now that I put 5 quarts. And it's right there
On the top dot.
on the top dot, yeah. So now what it looks like is, not yet.
Okay.
It looks like the oil filter housing is leaking and it's soaking wet. I'm gonna get the other flashlight. It is literally wet down there. And I don't know, it's the window sticker says it's due at 110,000. It's got 105, so it looks to me like it was recently had an oil change. But I don't, and there is, you can see how wet this bracket is. That's wet. And it's actually pretty wet on the undercarriage. I'm gonna have to put it in the air and look at some other stuff. But either they didn't fill it up with oil, or this oil filter housing's leaking horrifically. Why don't you go ahead? And plus it's got bearing noise now. Oh yeah, oh wow. Hold on, it's full of oil, so go ahead and run it for a minute. Yeah, it's freaking pouring out. It's literally dumping out oil out of the oil filter housing. It has run this car out of oil. Rev it up for a second. Okay, you turn it off. Actually, huh? Dude,
Huh?
you gotta see it.
Oh no, I believe you.
I mean,
I'm
it's
pouring the fuck out,
freaking
yeah.
pouring out.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Somebody pinched the O-ring.
So yeah, the O-ring probably got pinched or it didn't get put on the right rung. It might have got put on a thread, and it ran this car out of oil. It was making a lot of bearing noise. It's quieter now that we got oil in it, but I can still hear it. So we're gonna have to change. It's filled up with fresh oil, so now I gotta put a filter on it and fix this, clean it up, get it in the air, check underneath, see what we can clean up, and see if this car can be salvaged, because it got jacked. It ran out of oil, and it is because somebody screwed up with this oil filter. Simple little thing like that can cost you an engine. It may have, we'll see, this might be salvageable. All right, we're pulling that filter off of that leaky CTS. My bet is the seal is on the threads and got
Came
shredded.
off very easy now. It's
Came
turning
off.
very easy.
Okay.
I'll bet you.
And it's an aluminum cap, so they don't tend to warp and crack like the plastic ones, which does happen.
Yep. There it is.
The seal's on the threads?
Yep.
There it is. Hold
It's
on.
on the threads, and it's not on the.
That seal
groove
is supposed to be on that groove. So whoever put this filter in screwed up in a big way. It may have cost whoever, whatever
engine.
facility that place is, an engine. Watch out who you're getting your oil change done from, guys, because this quickie lube place, whatever it was, might have just cost themselves an engine, because this is definitely that's called negligent work right there. That's a mistake, and they should have caught it, because it was leaking so bad just running. It was right away. It wasn't like it was a small drip, and I think in about 300 miles it emptied out the whole crankcase. So, all right.